right, so here is the side of the house. Sorry, stinking mosquitoes are out today. So you can kind of see we're still getting some green. I can't do much about this. It doesn't get a lot of sun, so that's just kind of what it is. With washing it, it'll go away, but I'm not too concerned about the green on there. It usually comes and goes. But a couple places we power sanded all this as much as we could. We power sanded, pretty aggressive with it. We used a fast tool, and then we used a little grinding wheel with a special thing we got. Actually got that at Sherwin-Williams too. It was a diamond wheel thing. It was really abrasive and took a lot of the crap off, so I'm so glad we used it. So a couple places, not everywhere, but we're getting a couple places there, and well, there's another one there. So the places I've seen it have been on the edges where the boards are cut and the paint is kind of peeled off a little bit. Like I said, it's year 2, which I'm not too thrilled that's coming off in year 2. However, that's what the deck looked like 2 years ago. We haven't gotten to this yet. We haven't decided what we're going to do. But from going from that to this, for us, was a win compared to the cost of replacing a deck. It wasn't even a thought. So again, we just used those diamond wheel grinders. We grinded everything off. Used a vacuum, sucked it all off, and we used a leaf blower to blow off the rest of it. And then we just used a brush to get in the cracks, used a roller to get on top. We only did 1 coat, actually. We were going to do 2, but we ran out of time with weather when we did it. So it only has 1 coat on there. That could be part of it also. I don't know. All I know is, compared to peeling paint, this is awesome. Took us a little while to find the right color, so we played around with colors for a little while. And we just did those I got sample quartz, put it in a little piece and stuck it down there to kind of see what we were looking for. That deck and dock, they have some predetermined colors, and they can have some variation to that, but I don't know. Once they say that it's approved color, I don't like messing around because it changes chemical composition sometimes, so I don't like messing around with that either. So this is our deck. Again, edges, knots, some places were knots. Those kind of peeled off also, and then this will be this year, because I reconfigured the deck. I had some stairs there which really sucked, so I just tore them out, and I just got some. These were new boards, so I got new boards. They've been sitting here. They were treated. They had to sit for a year, and then I've just been busy, so I haven't done anything. Believe it or not, I got those same time as those. Same weather, same everything. You can even see there where the sun hits it and where it doesn't. So this year, power wash before the end of the year and get a coat on here, so that way they don't wear out prematurely. And then we'll probably just do some touch-ups. That'll be a good video. We'll do some touch-ups on here, the areas where it popped off and peeled. Do a little scraping or sanding and do a touch-up to see how well it touches up. That'll probably be the next thing that we do with this. But there's our how does it look now after on year 2 plus now. So there you go. Deck and dock, so far I consider it a winner.